Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Clash Royale verification code not sending. Some common solutions include checking your spam or junk folder. The verification email often ends up in the spam or junk folder. Search for Supercell ID in all your email folders. Next, verify the email address. Double check that you've entered the exact same email address linked to your Supercell ID. The game shows a green check mark even if the email isn't connected to an account, which can be misleading. Be patient. Email delivery can sometimes be delayed. Wait a few minutes before trying again. Then, request a new code correctly. Do not repeatedly tap the send code button in quick succession. If you have requested too many codes, you may be blocked for 24 hours. Delete any old Supercell ID in your inbox. Exit the game's code entry screen and restart the login process to request a fresh, valid code. Only the most recent code will work. And finally, check the official Supercell ID. Some users have reported success requesting a code via the official Supercell website login page instead of through the in-game prompt. Some advanced troubleshooting. Check email rules and filters. Ensure you don't have any email filters or rules that automatically move or block emails from Supercell. Whitelisting the domain at supercell.com may help. Check device storage. If you are an iPhone user and your iCloud storage is full, Apple may block new coming emails. Free up some storage space and try again. Restart the app and device. Sometimes simply restarting the Clash Royale app or your entire phone can temporarily resolve glitches. Avoid multiple devices and logins. Logging from multiple devices in a short time or using multiple email accounts can flag your account for suspicious activity, which may temporarily block code delivery. Wait at least 24 hours before trying again. If you've tried all the above steps and are certain you are using the correct email address, you will need to contact Supercell support directly. You can access support through the in-game settings even if you are not logged in. Go to Settings, tap Help and Support, and use the chat function to explain that you are not receiving the verification code and cannot access your account. They can verify your ownership and help you regain access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.